What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack car channel. Today I have here my 2011 Toyota Camry Sport Edition, which I recently acquired by winning an auction. I had made a video on this car. Make sure to check that out in the description below. I'll add a link to that YouTube video. So the downside is that this car only came with one key fob and one key. So I've already made a video for the key on how you can program the transponder chip and where you can get that one cut. That video will also be in the description section below. It is very useful. So without further ado, let me show you what I'm going to do. Alright, so before I get into how you can actually program your transponder chip key, I'm going to actually show you how much you can actually save by doing it this method. And please consider subscribing. Subscribing is completely free, and you will also be helping me out by subscribing. Please make sure to turn on the post notification bell, and each time I post a video you will be updated as well. You'll get a post notification. Okay, so now in terms of the key fob cost me 55 New Zealand dollars. And the coding, which would have been at the dealership, would have cost 120 New Zealand dollars. That comes to a total of 175 New Zealand dollars or 117 US dollars. So by doing the coding by myself, I am potentially saving 80 US dollars. Always go with a new genuine Toyota OEM part. The reason I'm doing this video is so you can actually save out on the coding costs. Alright guys, we are going to start the procedure now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to just explain a quick tip. Once I do the key combination, I'm going to press and hold down both the lock and the unlock button at the same time for about 1.5 to 2 seconds. Let go of it and then press and hold down the lock button for about 1.5 to 2 seconds. The door locks will cycle then, but we got to wait for the door lock to cycle after I remove the key, which I'm going to show you as it happens. So we're going to open the door, insert the key in twice, 1, 2. All right, we're going to close the door, open the door, close the door, open the door, insert the key in once, pull it out, close the door, open the door, close the door, open the door. This time you're going to stick the key in, leave it in the ignition, close the door, turn the key to the ignition on position, and now once I turn off the key, you're going to see the door lock cycle once. There you go. Hold this down and then hold the lock key down. There you go. You have just programmed the key. For those of you who did not follow exactly what I had done, I'll include the steps in the description below. There will be detailed steps, so you will not be at a loss at all. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just open the door to exit programming mode, shut the door back again, and give it a go. That's your unlock. That's your lock. That's your unlock. All right. So what I'm going to do now as well is I'm going to test the one in the boot. So if we open that one, you can see that the boot works as well. Please consider subscribing and taking a look at my other videos as well. It'll certainly excite you. I do post videos every week or so, sometimes twice a week, and they are very useful videos. I've saved a lot of people money. With this particular thing, you've saved yourself about 80 US dollars. And what's more is you can do this if you need to again, and it doesn't cost you anything. So pretty much the programming cost is completely free to you guys. How great is that? Wow. All right, I hope this has been useful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also a subscription. That will be a thank you enough to me. Thanks. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.